welcome back to my channel. I am Forever Mimi. Today I'm in the kitchen, y'all. I know y'all have not seen a cooking video from me for a while now. So today I am going to make me a chicken pot pie, or whatever you want to call it, homemade chicken pot pie. But I'm going to be using things that I already have. So I'm going to have to do a little elbow work, y'all, because I'm only working with what I have, okay? So I'm going to run all the ingredients down. I'm going to say I hope everyone is having a great day, and I hope the weather in y'all city is pleasant, because here in Texas, we about to get some rain, some real heavy rain next couple of days. So let's get started. I have this Betty Crocker pie crust mix right here, and I have my water. I can see my water, and I got a teaspoon, because that's how much water I'm gonna need for this dough. And for the inside of the pot pie, I'm gonna use some cream of chicken. I'm gonna use some mixed vegetables. I got some bouillon cubes. I got some Tony's, some parsley flakes, and I got the chicken over here in the sink, still in the water. I'm still trying to thaw it out, but it's just about thawed out though. But first thing is first, y'all, we are going to get this chicken ready, season up, and then we're going to start on the crust, because the crust is the hardest part of this dish, okay? So I'm going to move you all over to the stove, and my meat is already rinsed out, so I'll see y'all over at the stove. Okay, here is all of my chicken thighs. These are chicken thighs, okay? I'm going to put all of these here. And this is six pieces of chicken thighs. I will be cutting off all that extra fat that's on there. I'm going to put it on medium heat. I'm going to use 1 cube of, this is a chicken flavor bouillon. I'm going to use one of these. Now you can do what you want to do with it. You can crush it up, or you can just put it in there just like that. I'm going to use a little bit of Tony's. Not much, because you know the chicken bouillon I got, I already have some flavor to it. Okay. So I am going to leave that meat and let it do its thing. So I'm going to bring y'all back over here, and we're going to start on the crust, okay? Okay, y'all, I done open up the mixture to the crust, and I'm going to use 1.5 cups, because I'm gonna need 2. I'm gonna need 1 for the bottom of the pan, and I'm gonna need 1 for the top. Okay. So I'm gonna need 1.5 cups, I think. 1 cup and 1/3. Okay, I think this is probably it, but I think I'm gonna go ahead on and okay. Put this over here. I'm gonna pour this in here. We got a lot of, y'all see all them little bumps, the little chunks. I need to get that out of there. I'm just going to take this spoon and just kind of mash it down. If y'all hear some noise, that's the burn over here. That's the chicken over there cooking. So I'm gonna need a teaspoon of this here for the water. Cause that's all I got 2 since I got. I'm doing 2 and 2 for everything. And I'm just gonna stir this up until I get it into a like a what you call it? Like I'm about to make some dough. And then you just keep adding water until it gets into like a dough. See like how this is, y'all? That's almost almost like a dough. So you just keep on put your water in there until you get that dough like texture. So I'm gonna keep doing this and I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all, it looks like this. Let's see. I'm gonna put some flour down here.
거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖에 사람 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 하나 I'm give up 넌 내겐 미워 yeah. 말해도 내겐 미워 yeah.
Y'all, I just made a mess. Nope. I should have floured up my dough first. So, yeah, I don't know why I didn't do that. I should have put some on the rolling pin. I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all. I got it together. Put a little bit on here, a little bit of flour. Just gonna roll it up here. This is what I was trying to get. This consistency right here. Y'all see that? That's what I was trying to get. Pat it a little bit here and kind of spread it out. Then I'm going to put some on my rolling pin right here. Put some in my pan. Just put it all over the rolling pin. Like that. Y'all, that chicken is smelling good. Y'all know that? Woo. All that seasoning and that chicken on there. So I may have to make me another one now because I don't think this gonna be enough for the bottom and the top. So I'm just gonna roll this out. 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울밖에 사람. 내가 어때 같은 그런 질문하면 난 항상 너에게 I don't give a I don't give a I don't give a Okay, I guess I'm doing good. I'm doing good. All right. Put this in the pan right here. We're gonna be alright, y'all. I think we're gonna be alright. You know what I should have did? I should have put it this way. But I still could have rolled it out a little bit more, y'all. But I'm gonna just go ahead on and leave it alone while it's in the pan and just try to put it around the pan. Okay. Put it around the pan. 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖에 사람. 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 난. Put that around here. Cause y'all know I'm out of commission. Your girl been out of commission for so long. I ain't made nothing like this in a while. But I think it's still gonna be it's still gonna be healthy because I still got all the mixed vegetables and the chicken and the broth and stuff like that. So I think it's still gonna be pretty. It's gonna be. I consider it as an okay healthy dish. It ain't super healthy, but it'll be okay. See, it's starting to get thin around here. Y'all see how my thin spots are? Right here. And I need to cover that up. But overall, I think I'm doing pretty good. So, I'm going to cut all these ends off. We're going to go check on the chicken. Alright, y'all. This is the best that I can do. Okay? Y'all see that? This is the best I can do. That's the best I can do. Okay? So, we over here where the chicken is. And this chicken, y'all, is over here. It's looking good. And I'm going to still let it boil a little bit more. So it can be kind of easy for me to cut. I know it don't take chicken thighs that long, but I want to make sure got some good seasoning in it and make sure that the meat is not too, still a little hard. So I'm gonna let that boil. And I'm gonna be working on my top for this, and then I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna probably start putting everything inside the bowl here, and we're gonna finish this off. 네가 한숨을 쉬고 있는 모습 보면 절대 걱정하지 않아 너의 건강. 이건 사랑 같은 시시한 게 아니야. 우리 생긴다면 같이 하자 다야. 나의 주변이 내게 넌 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너의 주변이 내게 난 항상 Okay, yeah, I got everything. I got all the chicken cut up. I'm still letting the broth from the chicken boil because I'm gonna need some of that as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start putting some of the chicken in here. We're just going to spread this around. Okay, here is my mixed vegetables right here. I already washed them. Poured the juice that was originally in the can. I poured it out, and then I rinsed them off and just drained them. So there's no water in here. Excuse me, y'all, for my me can't talk and me and my words today. Okay. Put that on here. Alright, here is my cream of chicken. Okay, let me get a spoon, fork so I can mix that up. Okay, I got a little of put a little water in there. I'm gonna pour this in here. Okay, I don't want it to be too thick, so I would rather just do this here and kind of like, you know, thin it out a little bit because it is a soup, okay? Okay, see how thin that came out? Now you don't have to do this, you could just pour it on top and, you know, smooth it out. Let it, you know, smooth it out on top if you want to. That's up to you. Your chicken pot pie, my chicken pot pie. So this is not too bad, so I can just have enough room to put it all over. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to stir this up again because it got a little thick on me. Now, like I told y'all before, you could either just put it on here and you could spread it, or you could beat it real good where it just kind of like start just fall, you know, like a what you call it, like, you know, you beat it up and it's real, and the texture is real smooth. Okay. Now you could do just this, what I'm doing, right out of the can, or you can kind of mix it up a little bit where it'll be a little runny. But it's gonna go back in the oven again, because all this is gonna cook again when I put it in the oven. Excuse me again, y'all, for my words. Seems like I can't talk today. Okay, I'm gonna go over here, and I'm going to get some of this juice that I boiled. From the chicken, and I am going to take this little cup here. I'm going to dip it, and I'm going to take this here, the juice here. I'm just going to pour it over. I think this should be enough. Now, if you want to take it and just mix everything up together, that'll be good, and then you can pour it all in your, you can pour it all in it together. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to use. Now, I'm going to clear this off and come back, and then I'll be ready to put my, my top layer over it. Alright, y'all, I got it all ready. But before that, I'm going to, before I put this on top of the, excuse me, y'all. Before I put this on top of here, I'm going to put some parsley flakes on here. Okay. Now I am going to cover this up. It's just like we're making a pie, okay? Because we are making a pie, but it just got chicken in it, okay? Okay, we gonna.
너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울
We're gonna make sure this whole top is covered up.
질문하면 항상 난 I don't give a
Make sure everything is all covered up. I guess we can kind of start pinching it. Pinch this all the way around. Now you could throw some butter on top of this if you want to. You know, like some little egg white. That's if you choose to. Me, I'm not gonna do that. Put this right here. Okay. Just make sure everything is all pinched up. Okay. Now I'm gonna get a knife. I need to clean it up. Clean this up, and then I'm gonna get a knife. Sorry about that, y'all. Clean this up around here just a little bit. So you don't have nothing extra just hanging around on the sides of it. Take the knife here and we're going to just kind of slice it down the middle. You know, make a little hole in it like you do a pie.
이건 사랑 같은 시시한 게 아니야. 우리 생긴다면 같이 하자 다야. 나의 주변이 내게 넌 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너의 주변이 내게 난 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람. 내가 어때 같은 그런 질문하면 난 항상 너에게.
We're going to pop this baby in the oven and I'm going to do 45 minutes. And if it's still not done, I'm going to let it stay in there and let it cook off. So here it is, y'all. I will see y'all in about 45 minutes. Okay, y'all, here it is.
너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아.